Hey guys, this episode we're going to be talking about how to parse URLs completely in Ruby. Now, you might think that the URI module built into Ruby does absolutely everything you will need. And that's generally the case, but if you need to work with domains and subdomains, it starts to break down a little bit at a certain point. So let's take a look. If we have a Rails console open and we use uri.parse to grab https example.google.com/about, we can parse a URL, and let's assign this to a variable, and we can retrieve the host from this, but that's all we can get from URI itself. There are no other methods, and we can check that and say methods.sort minus object.methods. And this will show us all of those. So we can get things like the scheme out of there, we can get the query parameters, we can get the path,